Hello, welcome to my TED Talk POL. Now, you're probably all wondering what my POL is about. Well, as you can see here, it is about quality work. Quality work is seen everywhere in our life at school and as well as outside of school. We have quality work, and more quality work. And quality work. Everyone is trying to make quality work so they can make more money, so they can sell more things in order to make more money. Well, quality work is a big move in life. So, quality work is beautiful. It is to the standards of the current time, and it has something about it that makes it stand out. So in our school, we try to create quality work by running through multiple drafts. Not only by that, but we also try to go. We don't try to just aim for the average. We put ourselves in a mindset for excellent, not just good. So it's pretty obvious how we do quality work. So first class, I'd like to talk about humanities. Humanities, we create quality work by running through multiple drafts, such as first of all, we're going in a brainstorm. So we brainstorm our project. So then after that, we try to create a actual first draft. Then we make a better first draft, and then we make a final draft. So what I did for humanities is my Roots and Wings project. So my Roots and Wings project, we had to brainstorm the person and the interesting aspects of their life. So one of the most interesting aspects I thought of my grandmother's life was her experience in World War II. So if you'd like to take a look at my final draft, passing it around. So in math and science, we do pretty much the same thing in humanities, create quality work, except we take one extra step. Instead of brainstorming, we prototype and blueprint. So you see here, I have one of my egg drop projects. The egg drop project was a project where we made capsules and devices that we put an egg inside of and made it so that way it did not crack even when you drop it off the third story of this building. So as you can see here, this is one of the designs, and what I tried to base this off of was air resistance. So you can see here, what happens is that these panels create air resistance because they give this more of a area that is hit by the wind. So this is not very aerodynamic shape. Aerodynamic shapes are shaped like this. This one's shaped like this. So it would also spin as it goes down too. So it looks nice. So next. So in art. So in art is not very similar to all the other types of quality, how we make quality work in other classes. Not only do we brainstorm, but we have in art. If you paint something, you can't go ahead and make another draft of it. In art, you try to consider as much material as possible. So as you can see here, I have one of my art projects. This is our cubism piece. So you can see here that we have two people with different parts of their body in different colors. Well, black and white in color. So what in our cubism piece we tried to use all four elements, four ways to create art: stippling, shading, blending, and cross-hatching. So you can see here, I made pictures pictures with those, and I cut them apart and put them back together with different parts, touching different parts. So I tried to make it interesting. So the steps that we took to make this piece of art was, first of all, we had to brainstorm. Who would we do? We had to bring in pictures, and then we just made it. So art is a whole lot easier to make quality work, but you need to be focused, you need to take your time, and you need to actually be interested in the topic. So one quote I'd like to state is, working can either be fun or hard work, just depends on what you think of it is. Think it is, I like to have fun, so have fun when you make work. So in conclusion, quality work is something that all of us need to do, and is great, and it is great to, in conclusion, quality work is beautiful. All of these are good examples of quality work, and is there any questions or comments?